Hello guys, on this video we're gonna fix my washing machine. This washing machine is already a year old and the brand is American Home, and actually this washing machine, it's turning on but the motor is not running. Alright, for the specs, it's actually here at the back. As you can see, it has here. Alright, so it has a 340 watt motor and a maximum of 6.5 kilograms of washing capacity. Alright, so at the back, down here, you can see as well that there's an open vent here that we can check the parts inside. Down there, it's just a single, alright, just for the washing only, no dryer. Alright, so we're gonna try to turn on our washing machine here, if this gonna work. Alright, so as you can hear, there's a noise, but here inside, alright, the motor won't start, it doesn't spin. So we're gonna check that at the back if what's the problem here. Alright, so what I'm gonna do here is we're gonna open this so we can check what's inside. Let's do that. Okay, so it's open now. We're gonna check what's inside on this. Alright, so we already opened up here at the back, at the bottom here. Alright, so you can see here the motor, and there's the starting capacitor inside. It's basically here. Alright, we're gonna try to turn it on again. Right, and let's power on. Alright, it only makes a sound but the motor won't start. Alright, let's try if we try to turn this on here. Alright, it won't work anyway. Let's turn it off. Okay, so we're gonna check here. Since this is a starting capacitor. Alright, so this is a CBB60, a 10 microfarad starting capacitor with a 450 volts AC. Alright. There's a wrap here on the wires. I think when I bought this on my friend, I think this was already been replaced. Alright, so we will have to check this capacitor. Right, let's open this wrap here. Okay, there is already a tape on it. I'm just gonna remove it. Alright. And we will check if there is voltage in it. If there's voltage, let's just remove the tape here. Well, this one is a little bit difficult to remove. Whoa, this is more difficult to remove than the other one on the other side. Alright. Oh no. Whoa, this is so tight, or this is not big. I will have to use something else. Alright, I'm gonna use a cutter here. It should be much more easier to remove. Alright, there. Alright, so here's the capacitor here. Then we will have to check if there is voltage running on it. Okay. We're gonna turn it on again. Turn it on. So there's voltage, but still alright, I think this capacitor is faulty. So what we can do here, we're gonna turn it off again, and we're gonna replace this capacitor, if that works. Alright, let's try that. Alright, so I have here another capacitor. It's CB660, also a 10 microfarad capacitor, 450 volts AC. So we're gonna use this to replace the old capacitor here on this washing machine. Alright, let's do that, and we're gonna remove this. Alright. Alright, as you can see here, basically the specs are pretty same, and this other one here, I think that's faulty, is big in size, but still they have the same microfarad, 10 microfarad. So we're gonna use the new one here. Well, it doesn't matter here which side you're going to connect. Alright, let's try that. And also on the other side here. Alright. Okay, so we already attached this capacitor here, and what we're going to do now is we're just alright, we'll just put the capacitor there at the bottom, and we're gonna try to turn on. Alright, we're gonna turn on again this washing machine. Let's check that. Alright, turning on. Alright. There we go. It turned on and the motor is working now. Alright, so it was just a faulty capacitor. Because that capacitor is the starting capacitor. If that goes bad, then this washing machine will not start. And let's check inside here. Okay. Alright, that's pretty neat. It fixed. Whoa. We got lucky this day. We fixed our washing machine. Alright, so alright, we're gonna tape this again just to make sure that those wires won't bump to each other. Alright, these starting capacitor, usually you can buy this also online, or you can buy these on electrical shops. These are just cheap, so you can buy this at the electrical shop as well. Alright, there you go. We already taped it, and we're gonna put this back inside. Right there. Alright. Okay, so look at that. It's already in place, and we're gonna put back the cover. Okay. Alright, and another one here. Okay. Alright, so there. We already fixed it, and we're gonna try it again. Alright. Alright, so we already plugged it in the outlet, and we're gonna turn it on again just to check. Alright, that's the sound that the motor is spinning right now. And let's see again here. Okay, very good. Alright, let's turn it on. Alright, so if you really like this video, we fix our American home washing machine. Just click subscribe and like the button. Thank you for watching.